Hey there, welcome back. I'm glad you're with me today because for this lesson, I'm going to be drawing Cappy the hat from Mario Odyssey. All you need for this project is a pencil, a sheet of paper, an eraser as well, and some colored markers. I'll be using some grays and some reds. Okay, so let's get started. With my pencil, I'm going to draw a round shape for one of the eyes. So we're going to start slightly over to the right side of the page and we'll draw one of Cappy's eyes right here. Okay, and then on the outside of that we'll draw another ring around this shape, just like that, and then we continue that through all the way around. Then for the other eye, we're going to draw a narrower elliptical shape. So we're going to start right about here, and then we're going to come up, and then this is going to come down. So you can see it's going to be a little bit narrower, and then we're going to, if we drew this line all the way through, it's going to peekaboo back here, and then we're going to come up like this. So this is going to be our outer shape. Okay, then we're going to go on the inside and draw this inner ring. So we'll start about here, and we're going to come up, and then as we get to the edge over here, we're going to get really close like that, almost touching that line. Okay, and then you'll come back down and do the same, and then as you wrap up, you're going to get really close to that edge. Okay, now we can draw the eyeballs inside. So over here on the left circle, we're going to draw the left eyeball. So we're going to start close to this edge, and then we're going to come like that. So that's going to be one eyeball, and then on the inside we'll draw another ring, another shape like that on the inside. Okay, now we can do the same over here. This will go slightly at an angle, and we'll draw one right here like that, a little bit narrower, and then we'll draw one on the inside. And then I'm going to draw a highlight, so I'm going to do 1 and 2 small circle shapes like this, 1 and 2. Those will be my highlights for the eyes. So now let's start with the top of the cap. So in between the two eyes, we're going to do a curve like this, and then this curve is going to come down like that, and then we're going to pick it back up over here, and then this is going to come down and hook back up like this, and then we're going to complete the top. So we're going to come up, and then it's going to come and bend right about here like this, so just over to the left of the eye. So we want to meet up, so this is going to come up a little higher than this line like that, and then we're going to come back down. Okay, and then over here we're just going to bump this, and it's going to bump right into the eye right here, and then this will round and bump right there. Okay, the next thing we'll do is in between the eyes right here, we're going to draw a line that's coming from here. We're going to come over like that, and then this will come and be at a slight angle down to maybe about halfway in between here. If you drew a line halfway like that, it'll come to somewhere about here. So we'll draw a little curve like this, and then right where this corner is, we're going to come over to the left a little bit, and then we're going to pop this up, and this is going to round into the top of the hat like that. So if you come off the top of the hat, you can kind of round that line. This will come down, and then this will be a little bit of a flat spot, and then this will come up like that right through there. Okay, now the cap is going to come over to the right lower of our page. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to come down like this. And then if you want also, let's go back up over here where this eye is here, so we know where to join these together. So we're going to come at this angle that's coming this way. We'll do the same over here. So we'll come down like that. And now just be careful with how much real estate you have here on your page. And then all we're going to do is we're going to come down like this, and then we're going to start to round this. And then we're going to come up and round this corner right here, that corner of our hat, just like this. Okay, and that's all there is to drawing Cappy. So I'm going to grab an ink pen or a Sharpie, and I'm going to outline my pencil drawing. Grab yourself an eraser and erase those pencil lines. That way it'll clean up our drawing so we can use some markers. And then for our final step, I'm going to use some markers and color in Cappy. Well, I hope you enjoyed drawing Cappy from the Mario Odyssey with me today. I had a lot of fun. I hope yours turned out amazing. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, because I do videos like these ones right over here every weekday, and you don't want to miss the next one. All right, guys, until next one, bye-bye.